This is Vicky, and I wanted to show you a solution temporarily that you can try for a laptop screen that looks like mine, but I'm able to still use it because I use a HDMI cord and I plug it to my television. So if you have an HDMI port on your laptop, you can try that and plug an HDMI cord to a monitor or to a television and see if that will work for you. Mine is plugged up to my television, and I can use my laptop now with the television. So that's just a temporary fix right now, but I've been doing it and using it for quite a while now. I think when you're first using this, you want to make sure you tell your laptop to be seen on whatever it's to be seen on. Like I think it says to share the screen or something like that. I think it's the F8 button. Well, on my laptop, it's the F8 button, the function F8 or shift F8. So try that to make sure that you're able to get your laptop to be seen onto your television, okay, or any type of monitor. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Let me know if it works for you.